Right, I made my gunnels. These pieces actually come from the top of the original gunnel. Cut out cardboard templates and fitted them, traced them off, and cut them out. This section as well. It's actually a top section of the previous gunnel. I didn't like the gunnel shape, so I changed it. All I did is just I lined it up on the corner with some duct tape, and then I first peanut buttered some of the areas and put one strand of biaxial or weave on the top just to keep the corner in place. This first section I did, that smaller piece, peanut buttered in on the front. So it keeps everything in place. And then basically what I've done previously, I left a little lip of the gunnel. So I attach it to the gunnel. In that way, it gives me a slight little radius at the end, because I meet up here flush and then it goes down.